Why mobile massage NYC is all you need if you're busy. Mobile massage in NYC is the ultimate solution for busy individuals seeking relaxation and wellness. With mobile massage services, you can enjoy therapeutic treatments without leaving your home or office. This convenience saves time and eliminates travel hassles, fitting seamlessly into your hectic schedule. Mobile massage therapists bring professional care directly to you, offering personalized sessions tailored to your needs. Whether you seek stress relief, pain management, or simply relaxation, mobile massage ensures you receive quality attention in a comfortable setting of your choice. Embrace the flexibility of booking appointments at your convenience, ensuring you prioritize self-care amidst a demanding lifestyle. Mobile massage in NYC not only enhances physical well-being, but also supports mental rejuvenation by providing a tranquil escape without disrupting your daily routine. Book your appointment today at needynyc.com or call us